Hey Moneymaker, the biggest wealth transfer in history is happening right now. And if you're not investing with AI, you might be left behind. AI isn't just changing industries, it's revolutionizing how we invest and build wealth. Hedge funds, billionaires, and financial elites have been secretly using AI-powered investing for years, making millions while regular investors struggle to keep up. But here's the good news. AI is no longer just for the ultra-rich. Today, anyone, including you, can use AI tools to analyze markets, predict trends, and automate investments with shocking accuracy. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top AI investing strategies that can help you multiply your wealth. Stick around until the end, because the last method I'll reveal is the most powerful one that's already making people financially free. Would you trust an AI to manage your money? Drop a yes or no in the comments. All right, let's dive in. AI investing strategies. AI strategy number 1, AI-powered stock trading. Imagine having an unfair advantage in the stock market, where AI scans millions of data points in seconds, detects trends, and executes trades faster than any human ever could. AI tools like Trade Ideas, Kahoot, and Zignali use machine learning to analyze market data, predict trends, and automate trades. These AI algorithms learn from past mistakes, getting smarter over time, unlike humans who trade based on emotion and FOMO. For example, a trader named Jake started using AI trading bots last year. He turned $5,000 into $50,000 in just 9 months, without staring at charts all day. But here's the catch. AI trading bots aren't magic money printers. You need the right settings, risk management, and strategies to make them work for you. Now, stock trading is great, but what if I told you AI could help you invest in something even more powerful than stocks? AI strategy number 2, AI for crypto investing. Crypto is one of the most volatile markets out there, and that's exactly why AI is so powerful here. AI tools like Pionex, 3Commas, and CryptoHopper can analyze trends, detect price patterns, and execute trades automatically. Unlike human investors, AI doesn't panic when Bitcoin drops 20% overnight. For example, in 2021, AI-powered crypto traders saw 40% better returns than human traders. A 21-year-old college student used an AI bot to turn $1,000 into $12,000 while studying. And here's the pro tip. Set grid trading bots to profit from market fluctuations. Use AI for portfolio rebalancing. It automatically buys low and sells high. Just imagine, while you're binge-watching Netflix, AI is making money for you. Sounds like a cheat code, right? Crypto is exciting, but what if AI could build you a fully automated passive income portfolio? AI strategy number 3, AI in real estate investing. Real estate has created more millionaires than any other investment, and now AI is making it even easier. AI tools like Zillow AI, Mashvisor, and ReAlpha analyze rental markets, predict price trends, and identify undervalued properties. AI can even calculate Airbnb profitability before you buy a property. For example, a 27-year-old investor used AI to identify undervalued rental properties and scaled to $15,000 a month in passive income in just 2 years. And here's the pro tip. Use AI to predict market trends and buy properties before they boom. Meanwhile, some people are still asking, should I rent or buy? While AI investors are buying entire neighborhoods. Now, real estate is powerful, but what if AI could help you build a completely hands-off investment portfolio? AI strategy number 4, robo-advisors and AI portfolio management. What if you could invest like a billionaire without hiring an expensive financial advisor? AI-powered platforms like Wealthfront, Betterment, and M1 Finance automatically invest, rebalance, and grow your portfolio based on your goals. AI adjusts for market conditions and optimizes for maximum returns. For example, investors using AI robo-advisors have outperformed human-managed funds in the last 5 years. And here's the pro tip. Set it up once, let AI manage your wealth, and watch your money grow. If you can trust AI to recommend movies, why not let it make you money? AI is no longer just a tech buzzword, it's a wealth-building tool. And right now, early adopters are getting rich while everyone else plays catch-up. So here's the real question. Are you going to use AI to build wealth, or will you let this opportunity pass you by? If you found this video valuable, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video so more people can discover these AI investing strategies. And if you're serious about using AI to make money, subscribe now and turn on notifications, because I'm breaking down even more AI-powered wealth strategies in upcoming videos. So drop a comment below. Which AI investing strategy are you most excited about? And if you want to learn how people are making $10,000 a month using AI-powered side hustles, watch this next video now.